friends getting deaded. Niggas chasing my ex, I call it a fetish. Yeah, I'm as calm as a Marion, but don't get it twisted, I ain't a Marion. Big business, let's get it, getting to it. Fuck a critic, if I said it, then I meant it. Hold up, wait a minute. Got drinks, got vapes, got it all, ayy. More money, more problems, more bills, man. Run your business out the way and niggas still hate. I ain't tripping over nothing, niggas been fake. On that hitty in that pound, watch them turn up. Raise hell on these niggas, watch them burn up. If I get a word, she gon' fly out. Certain things niggas never brag about. Coming live from the Ginley Square. Not concerned where they hate them and I just don't care. Only good vibes wanting in my atmosphere. Anything else is getting left right there. Look, don't be exposed on the timeline. Hottest out my city, I'm the top 5. Let them talk about your boy, let them tell lies. You ain't minding your business, you getting chastised. I got the game in a bow tie. Pull up to the party with the set, nigga, showtime. I know niggas really bout it, never televised. That's how we spot the fakers, they be telling lies. I got distracted by the craziest rumor. It was heavy on my mind, yeah, it felt like a tumor. They was snitching on your man.